Hi everyone, it's Marie with M&D Trading, and we're going to open some more March the Machine collector packs today. Hope everyone is having a good day. Please be sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And leave us a comment, say hi, let us know what you think of this set. Alright, Urabrask, Kroxon Kunoros, Shalai and Halar, 3 mythics for this pack. Alright, Skithiryx the Blight Dragon, our 4th mythic, and our token, and that will wrap it up for this pack. Thank you for watching.